Hi guys, this will be episode 5. As you can see, it's sunny outside, but it's windy. So, not much chance of test flying this. You can probably hear my wife's got the washing machine going in the background as well. So it'll be a bit noisy. There's a few things we can go through, so I'll put the camera on the tripod and have a little chat. But we won't be flying this today. Okay, we have to put up with the noise of the washing machine in the background. So we're all up together. I should be able to take this off. These were just holding the little plywood strips onto the front there. They strengthen the nose. Probably a bit too much because they've actually crushed it a little bit. That's where this chap fits. Okay, so because I've actually crushed them a bit with the rubber bands, I might have to actually pad that out a bit now to make sure that we get the down thrust right, because that's going to wobble around a little bit. So that was a bad move, too many rubber bands. Next thing I noticed that I've done wrong, when I'd finished going through this lot, I then found this piece of paper for tying the rubber band, but on the back it tells me how I should have laid out the tissue. So I've actually got the grain of the tissue the wrong way. Now I did mention it on the episode where I was putting the tissue on that I didn't think it would matter much because it was pre-shrunk, and you worry about the grain because it's going to warp the wing when it dries. Well, because it was pre-shrunk, I didn't worry about it, but I did put it the wrong way round, I think. Actually, I'm not sure, I might have got it right. Anyway, the instructions did tell me, but I didn't find this bit until afterwards. So we can do the basic adjustments, which is, that's got to go over 2 inches. Which is about 5 centimetres. You have to hold it right up here to do it. So, straight line, straight line. Okay. Up 1/4 of an inch. Okay. The 2 smaller rubber bands are the ones that go on the stick. Okay. These are supposed to be up 3/16 of an inch, which is a tiny amount, and down 3/16 of an inch. So that's the basic settings. So it says start out, gives us two thicknesses here. It says start off with the thinner stuff. Got to put one of these little loops on first, plastic ring. That wasn't good. It just broke. Try that again. Because I've no idea how old this kit is, this could already be 10 years old. It says pull that extremely tight. Okay. Then tie another knot. And cut them off short. So that should be our band. Well, I just happen to have some rubber lube. theory about doing it in a bag is you don't get it all over your fingers. Oh, I made myself up a winder. It's just a bit of bent wire with some beads on it, just so I can wind it like that. Obviously it's only a one turn for a turn as opposed to a geared winder, but it'd be better than trying to do it by fingers. So, that's the finished looking article, but there's no way we're going to go and try it, because it's too windy. It's gone quiet for a minute. Washing machine's finished. I did just try winding that up by turning the propeller, and that was okay. So, worst case scenario, we could just wind it up normally to at least get a test flight out of it. But I don't think that's going to happen today. Very frustrating, but that's what I expected to happen. Wrong time of year. I've had access to a big indoor hallway, gym, something like that. Then we could do it indoors. That's really what this is designed for, indoor flying.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.